Okay, so we're doing a kidney grill swap on this thing, going to the all black. It's pretty simple. There's this piece of trim right here. This lays in this groove here. So you just peel that off, throw it aside, and then we've got a couple T30, and so there's 6 T30s that run along the edge here, and then on the very end right there and right here it's like a T20. Strip those out, and then this just simply pulls off these little clips here, and this will pull forward, and then you can reach behind and just push these little tabs up and pull forward, and the whole grill will pop out. So I'm gonna do that real quick and I'll be right back. Okay, so we got those out. Doesn't take too long. It's a little bit messy, and I've got big hands, so my shit gets stuck in there, like tears my forearms up, because you got to peel that back and then kind of squeeze your hand in and push those tabs as you're kind of pulling out. But you can see there's these little tabs here that fit in, so it actually just clicks. So you're just pushing these in as you pull out. It's pretty easy to get to, but I'm gonna go and kind of clean this up a little bit, and then just click the new ones in, and I'll be right back with you. Okay, and that's all put back together. So this one's a little bit more aggressive because it's the double bar. So you can kind of see the difference. This one has the singles right here. Looks so much cleaner. Looks a lot more aggressive. I want to switch out this bumper and go with the M style bumper as well. So that'll probably be coming down the road as well. All right, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, make sure you ask. Thanks.